Welcome to our video on navigating U.S. Customs and Border Protection, or CBP, with a prior theft conviction. Today, we'll explore key considerations you need to be aware of before you travel internationally with a refugee travel document. In this video, we'll cover several important topics. First, we'll discuss how CBP assesses admissibility and what role your refugee travel document plays. Then, we'll talk about what you might expect at the border, followed by some key advice on preparing for your travel. Lastly, we'll wrap up with critical legal considerations. CBP officers are responsible for determining whether a traveler is admissible to the United States. They take into account various factors, including your criminal history. A theft conviction might be classified as a crime involving moral turpitude, or CIMT, which is an offense considered to be contrary to community standards of justice, honesty, or good morals. The Refugee Travel Document is an essential paper for those who wish to travel internationally while under refugee status. It's important to understand that while this document enables international travel, it does not assure entry back into the United States. CBP will still perform standard screenings to assess your admissibility. Upon reaching the border, you should be prepared to answer questions regarding your conviction. Honesty is crucial in these interactions. It's also possible that you may be taken to a secondary inspection area for further examination of your documents and to answer additional questions. Depending on the CBP officer's evaluation, the outcomes can range from admission into the U.S., being detained, or potentially being denied entry. Here's a quick quiz to test your understanding. What should you be prepared for at the border if you have a prior theft conviction? Option A, immediate entry with no questions asked. Option B, possibility of questioning and secondary inspection. Option C, automatic denial of entry. You may pause the video now to think about the answer, and we will discuss the right answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is option B. You should be prepared for the possibility of questioning and secondary inspection. Being honest and prepared with the necessary documentation will be vital in this situation. Now let's discuss some advice and preparation tips to keep in mind. Always be honest when dealing with CBP officers. Misrepresentation can lead to serious consequences. Have all relevant documents ready, including court records and any proof of sentence completion. You should consider consulting an immigration attorney to guide you through the process. Finally, familiarize yourself with the applicable U.S. immigration laws concerning criminal records. An important factor to consider is the duration of the sentence you've served. Despite being short, the nature of the crime will be evaluated. Past experiences, where you may have entered without issues, should not allow you to become complacent, as each entry attempt is handled individually. It's also wise to seek advice from an immigration attorney who specializes in this area to assess your unique situation. As we wrap up, let's remember that understanding how CBP views criminal records and the legal landscape concerning international travel is crucial. It's essential to be prepared and honest throughout the process. If necessary, seek guidance from a professional legal expert to help you navigate these challenges. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We would love to hear about your experiences or thoughts in the comments below.